Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And today we get a bonus P.LOUISE day because we've been shopping on their TikTok shop. So they have their TikTok lives, the USA TikTok lives, they have the UK TikTok lives. We're in the US, so we watch the USA ones.
It's the only one we can shop on.
It's the only one we can shop on, but depending on where you're at, you can watch the one that works for you. This is a new thing, I think, that they do. They have had mystery boxes all the time.
They're doing different types of mystery boxes.
It's a different type of mystery box. So this is called a triple up box. And they had two prices, right? One was $50 and one was $80. So it should be at least, we got the $50 one.
Yeah.
It should have at least $150 worth of products in it.
I can't wait.
Yeah, we were so excited.
I almost opened it yesterday.
Did it come yesterday? Okay, so it came yesterday and we were like, do we have to wait till we do the video to see what's inside? And we're like, maybe we'll just open it and look inside but not dig around in it. I was like, no, we should wait because we really want to open it with you guys. So we are now ready to rip off the tab and see what's inside.
But look how big the box is, everybody.
It's huge. So this box is ginormous, and the regular mystery boxes, you never know what you're going to get. It could be old stuff. It's usually old stuff that they have a few of and they just need to get rid of. This one is supposed to be all new product and things from the UK warehouse, not just the US warehouse. So there should be stuff in here, hopefully, that we cannot order on the P.LOUISE US website. Okay, let's do it. Let's show you. There is stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff. It's kind of all rattling around in here. I don't even know how many things are in here. Okay, start with something. We're just going to grab something.
It's cute.
What is that?
It looks like chocolate milk.
It is so cute. It's
and
like a can.
So it's make it melt skin, melt the bad vibes.
Melt away the bad vibes. Oh, it's the wipes.
Wipes. Oh gosh.
We never bought these because they're expensive for makeup wipes.
We got some. We got a
this
little.
Is hitting the thing.
And look at it's like a little pop can.
It's cute. So I guess you pull this part off and then you get to the wipes.
Don't. Oh yeah, I better not. I'm gonna open it anyway. So you pull the wipes up
and
then you.
It's like a little thing of window wipe cleaner.
So they smell like. It looks like
Can you smell it?
Not really.
I think it's sealed underneath the top. We can't smell it.
But isn't that packaging?
They're cute.
Adorable. I love it. Okay, you're next.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one. It's bananas. We're bananas from P.LOUISE. And this is the head over heels. This is the lip scrub and the mask. And let's see, it comes very cute. And they're each in their own
they're sealed,
boxes.
So we're not going to unseal them.
But this is what they look like. So one of them is the sleeping mask and one's the lip scrub. Yes. And this is banana. And we haven't got anything banana fragrance from P.LOUISE before. So that's cool. And there's so much more stuff in here. And I will,
this is different.
After Krista's looking through the box like, ooh, we don't have that one. I'll figure out how much it's worth and see if we really did get $150. Sure so that's two out of a lot of things so far. She never skips.
And this is the Bad Bee Energy Cake, birthday cake.
It says, these ones always say made from 20% whatever and then 80% boy tears.
And these are the lip oil and lip conditioner, the crowns.
Yes. Which we do have 15 of, and we're not, literally not going to open another one right now. But the cake one, oh, cute. All right, my turn.
Okay, your turn.
I actually have this lotion. I almost put it on today, but I did something different. But it smells really good. It's a Fizzy Pop body lotion.
It's a good lotion.
It's not like a thick balm, but it's a good enough consistency. It's not runny. It's a really nice lotion. You just squirt off the top and squirt out your lotion. Very nice. So I'm not going to open that one because I have this exact same one working in already. What is that?
It's pink.
Oh, I think that's one of the, let me see. Is this a palette or, it's a blush. It's a cream blush.
What does it say on the front?
Oh, it says Spoiled for Choice. So this is the Spoiled for Choice. And this is the Pure Papaya color.
We don't have a Pure Papaya color.
No, I will say I don't know that there's anything in here that I've not seen before, but it doesn't mean I don't love it. Oh, that's a beautiful color.
Oh, that's gorgeous blush color.
And it has a mirror, and the palette is a matte kind of magnet shut matte plastic. Really pretty. Ooh, I love that. All right, there's still more stuff. What are you going to do next?
Didn't I just do that one, but you took it from me?
Oh, I took it. Well, you can have my turn then, since I took your thing. Oh, is that the glimmer sticks?
Glimmer stick. We have these. Which colors are these?
I think these
Are
are
these
these are
both
both the
gold?
same. Oh, these
I don't
are.
think we have these colors. We don't
I think
have
we
this.
do. We got silver and gold. This is Dusk Diva. Yeah, it is sealed, and I'm really sure we have this. But these are the same. It's 2 of the same color.
I like those.
And it's in Night Fever. Well, I think it's supposed to be Golden Gala and Night Fever, but they're the same.
I think they're a little different, but we don't have this set. We don't have these exact colors. We have a gold color, but not these gold colors.
All right, I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like inside, because to me it looks like 2 of the same color. Krista says no, and Krista's usually right, as she will tell you. All right, I got it open.
Yay!
And these are both Golden Gala. So these are the same color. They were supposed to be 2 different colors, which may be why it's in the box, and they had a mishap on the production line.
She can have one and I can have one.
But now we both can have the same
Yay.
eyeliner. So those are really pretty.
Okay,
right.
pick one.
I want to see what this is on the other side. Okay, I've been looking at this side of the box, and look, it's one of the blue.
Oh, we don't have anything.
This is a highlighter powder.
But we don't have this one.
We don't have this one. Okay, so this should be Frosty Fantasy, and I did finally get it open. And this is so cute. It's in a little heart quilty.
I love
I
it.
have a highlighter that I feel like is in this. No, it's in the round palette.
Yeah, not like.
Whoa, baby.
Ooh.
Look at that highlighter.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
That is pure shimmer.
Gorgeous, gorgeous.
White silver.
Oh my, yes. Yes, yes, and yes, some more.
Okay, nice.
I love it.
There is more.
So this we got next is the Jelly Melt Makeup Melt Away Makeup Melt Away Jelly.
We're only a little tired.
And you said French toast?
Fluffy pancake.
Oh, fluffy pancake. And we have some of these, not this one, but we have some, and these are good. I was going to keep it sealed because I have one I'm finishing up now, but this box was fun. I love
how many things did we get? How many do you have?
So we got.
We got 8 things.
Yeah.
For
so
$50.
I am like, that is a bargain. Look at all this stuff. These have 2 things, and that has 2 things, and that has 2 things, so.
Yeah, so this is like, whoa.
This is awesome, and I love the packaging.
So
I always have, this was fun.
Yeah, this was fun, and this was, I'm very sure, well over $150 retail value, but I will verify. This was a little weird because it's 2 the same and it's mismatched, but again, like she said, we share, so having 2 the same is not a bad thing. Well, that was fun.
It was, yay.
We have a little surprise, not surprise, a legitimate surprise coming.
We're not going to say anything.
We're not going to tell you, but it is definitely P.LOUISE related, and you definitely don't want to miss it, so look for that video. Hopefully, it'll come
in the next couple weeks.
So be looking out for that. You'll know the video when you see it. You will know that's the one I was talking about. Thank you guys for joining us for this fun new triple up box from P.LOUISE. We hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and have a great one. Bye.
Bye.